to be able to hear me well because I've got one of my favorite YouTubers in the background. He is doing a live, so I just kind of wanted to keep it on because he basically goes live when he's at Disney World, and I think that's absolutely phenomenal because that's actually where my family and I want to go. So watching his videos, it basically kind of helps me know like what I'm basically in store for. Anyway, so today I'm really basically backlogged on doing my Maniology ManixMe's unboxing and everything. So today I'm going to do my October's box, even though it's December, but I'm going to do my October box, and I also have my November box, which I'm going to be doing in another video. So this one here, so it is the Maniology ManixMe, which is the October. And I already have gone through this, so just don't mind me. I was just so excited about it because it is the Winnie the Pooh theme. Now, the reason why they were able to do this is because basically the very first version of Winnie the Pooh, it basically became open to the public. So you're not going to see Tigger in this because Tigger is Disney, and those that Winnie the Pooh with the Disney is not open yet to the public for copyright and everything. So here, like, it shows like the actual oh my goodness, guys, I'm stumbling today. My brain still isn't functioning properly with me, but it's okay. I'm gonna get through this. So when you have a lid like this, it means that it's a regular polish. It cannot be stamped. And then this one here, the kind of like the bigger, like the bigger polishes with the same size lids, that is the stamping polish. So I have Honey Pot, which is it's more like a top coat, but it's really cool. I love how they did that. And then the other one is Winnie, which is a light goldenrod yellow, which is like really cool. So I'm going to be doing like a stamping thing there. And so it says here, Sticky Fingers. So that's what the box is called, Sticky Fingers. And then it just shows some like ideas on basically like, you know, like what you can do. This here, it is reverse stamping, which I'm going to actually try to do for a couple of videos, because there are some Christmas designs that I would really, really, really like to do a reverse stamping with. So, but here it shows like how to do like a reverse stamp. And then it just basically shows like the top coat at like on the bottom there, which is so awesome. And then here's some like ideas too. So I think like it's really cute. I love that. And then this was their gift for the October box. So you've got like two brushes. You've got like a really thin one that is perfectly perfect for detailing with the reverse stamping. And then this one here basically would be kind of like for cleaning up the edges and around the cuticle and everything if there's polish put on the skin. And then these are the stamps. So I'm like so excited. I haven't taken the blue part off yet, because I haven't even used these, truthfully. So I've got, actually, that's the one that we saw in the picture right there. And I like little Winnie the Pooh with the balloon. And so I'm still wondering, this is the Maniology MXM089. So I'm still wondering which one. I kind of want to do the swatch on the thing here. So I'm going to definitely see what the other one here has on it. Oh, okay, so it's got like, I didn't open this one here up yet. I only took the other one out before. This one's cute. I really like how they've got like the designs here and this right here as well. That is really adorable. I really like that. Oh, Christopher Robin and Winnie the Pooh. Looks like they're in the umbrella when they're in the water. I grew up loving Winnie the Pooh, so this is like awesome. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the box away here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a paper towel, because it's always easier to have paper towel laid down when you're doing stamping so nothing goes everywhere. And then just an extra one here for when I'm cleaning up all the stuff. Okay, so I'm thinking, and there goes my dog. 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. I guess my dogs thought that there was going to be somebody at the door, and there wasn't. So, anywho, going on. Yes, where was I? Okay. I am going to use, you know what? I think I'm going to do this one here for the swatch. I think that's what I'm going to do. Usually it takes a little bit for me to get this off. I used to have longer nails. Well, I might have to do this off camera. I used to have the longer nails until until I started, you know, just kind of fooling around with my press-ons, and there were a few times I did not do what I was supposed to do, and I will be making videos about that as well. So yeah, not very good. Let's see here. My doggies are playing around, if you guys can hear them. So I got my stamper already, and I got my Maniology little card thing there. I think what I might do is I might purchase a couple of their other cards on their site. I think that's what I might do. All right, let's see here. Oh, this is going to be exciting. Okay. This looks like such a cute, like, really nice, cute color. So I'm just, yeah, I'll just do like right here. Why not? And then, ooh, oh my gosh, guys. That was so weird. I don't know what just happened. And you know what? I'm actually missing, I'm missing the bottom of my stamper. Oh my goodness, what is going on? That's why I couldn't hold it properly. Okay. Just give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna clean up all this stuff, and we are going to redo that stamp. 1 second. All right, guys, I am back. I got everything all cleaned up. I'm just gonna have to try and figure out how to kind of, I think I'm just gonna put that on the side so that way when I grab it, it's easier for me to go like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just like that. I am a little shaky, so don't mind me. There we go. So much better. Like, that's awesome. Okay, so now swatching it. Okay, let's see here. Not too bad. So actually on black, this is gonna look really good too, as you can like kind of see, because it shows it really nicely in the black and on the white. So that is gorgeous. So I love that. So I'm definitely gonna be checking things out with that as well. All right, so I'm just going to take my pure acetone and basically taking my pure acetone and then just cleaning this off, because always use pure acetone on the stamp, like on the stamping plates. But hold on, I really feel, oh, I have a cut on my one finger, so it's burning a little bit. So with these, if you have any like residue left over, take one of like your rolly things and then just kind of, see, because I already have like part of it right here, but you just kind of roll, and that's all you do, and then it'll be perfect. So, but yeah, so that is basically, that is my Winnie the Pooh Maniology Mani and Me October. And I think, truthfully, I can do so many designs with this. I think it's perfect, really. I actually cannot wait to even like use these. I'm just gonna open this up right now. And you know what? I love rose gold, and I feel like these are like the rose gold color. And I just, oh, they're so cute. So, like this here, and like the little jewel here. It's adorable. I like love this. Take that off. See it? That's perfect. Truthfully, I may not even attach this. I might just keep this for when I'm doing like my own nails or something, and then I'll just kind of like, like clean up in the, that little area. You can tell like I've always been a biter, like a nail biter. And I'm skipping subjects here with or changing subjects about like the stamping and everything. So because my nails are really bad. So I grew up a nail biter, and I mean it's really, basically nail biting is it's habit forming. So over the years, like it's just always been like so dry, and I've even gotten to the point where I can't remember, I think it was this finger here. I bit so far over with the skin that now it's just like this. Instead of it looking like this, like normal, basically. So yeah, it's it is what it is. But I'm going to I would like to grow my nails again. There are ways I can do it and make them not look this dry and stuff like that. So I'm thinking what I might do is maybe do some dip powder on my nails safely, not where it's going to damage my nails or anything, but do it safely. And but yeah, so that's it for this video. I'm going to, with a video coming up, I'm going to actually be doing a set of nails with the Winnie the Pooh stencils. So I think that's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to do them. And they'll probably just be like press-on nails. And yeah, so I'm so excited that you guys are here checking out my content, and I really hope that you guys, if you guys love my channel, or even would be intrigued on what else I would be bringing to the channel, just, if you guys want to subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you do subscribe, maybe just, I don't know, maybe if you want to share my video, I don't know. It's going to be a lot of nail stuff that I'm going to be doing, as I really can't do a lot of other stuff. So anyway, I can't wait to bring some more content to you guys. I'm so excited, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.